Okay, this has been a very long and very tiresome project, but I have successfully put on this fake stainless steel. It's supposed to be it's like a sticker, but it's supposed to give the look of stainless steel. There it is. It's installed, and another thing I did is I screwed in the tops right here into the counter. That way, when you pull this out, look, it doesn't fall forward because it's screwed in right there. See? Give it a lot of good force. It doesn't go anywhere. And then, of course, this base here is installed. See? It doesn't pop off when you lower it. There, now this ancient dishwasher looks much more new. Bye bye.